Hi kids! Today let's learn to do a beautiful diya drawing with beautiful story about Guru Purnima, the special day when we say thank you to our teachers and gurus. A long time ago, in ancient India, there lived a great sage named Vyasa. He was very wise and wrote many holy books like the Mahabharata and Vedas. People called him Veda Vyasa, which means the one who divided the Vedas for everyone to understand. Because of his great knowledge and teachings, people decided to celebrate a day in his honor. That special day is called Guru Purnima. A full moon day to thank our gurus or teachers who help us learn and grow. One day, a little boy asked his teacher, Guruji, why do we need teachers? The Guru smiled and said, imagine walking in the dark. Can you see the path? The boy said, no, Guruji, we can't see the path. The Guru lit a lamp and said, just like this lamp shows the path in darkness, a Guru shows the right path in life. So on Guru Purnima, we thank all the people who guide us, our teachers, parents and elders. We offer flowers, sweets and say a big thank you to them. So kids, don't forget to wish your teachers and elders happy Guru Purnima today. Guru is like a lamp who lights up our life with knowledge. The story ends. And so the drawing. You can even draw a picture like this and give it to your teachers or parents as a gift. Now tell me, did you like the story or the drawing? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun stories and learning. Happy Guru Purnima!